55 Ford Fairlane Town Sedan here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 73C body style on this one. So, like I said, Fairlane Town Sedan, 272 V8 underneath the hood. This paired up with an automatic transmission, drivetrain, engine, and tranny all gone through, according to the previous owner 3 years ago. 12-volt system now. And as you can see, it's kind of a medium blue, light blue to almost white. It's almost like a white with a slight blue cast to it. Interesting color combination. Looks good on this body style in this year of car. Check out the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. You'll be able to see a good front end shot. Check out this chrome in the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, engine bay, interior. Again, UniqueClassicCars.com. You can always call us, 507-386-1726. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And as you can see, that bright work shows nicely up front in this car. Steel wheels with the Ford center caps. Wide white wall bias ply tires. And those are from 2021. Date code on there, so they're not that old. Let's take a look down this passenger side. Be a fun car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. And you can bring the family with, friends with. Plenty of seating. And again, the bright work up and down the passenger side of this car also showing very well. Fender skirts. Rock guard. This car's got a great look. Fires right up to smooth running car. We're going to start it, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood, stick around to the very end of the video. Jason will take it for a drive. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As you can see, dual exhaust. As exiting that 272. Ford-O-Matic automatic emblem on there, as well as the Fairlane. And you'll be able to see this car from every angle in the still pictures. Again, the underside, the trunk, the engine bay, the interior, UniqueClassicCars.com. If you like these mid-50s Fords, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you're into classic cars just in general, subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here. The videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done either online or right off our showroom floor. As you can see up and down this driver's side, nice shine to that paint. It's not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. The bright work down the belt line. Nice shape. Let's check out this interior a little closer. I do want to mention with the 12-volt system, the radio and the clock would need a reducer, so those are not working. So carrying on the blue theme to the interior. Good looking combination. Gives you that 50s vibe, which it should. 1955 Ford Fairlane Town Sedan. Technician did note that it does have new shocks. Brakes are 80% in the front, 70% in the rear. Let's fire it up. So you have key switch over on the left side. You'll notice I had that in neutral, starting this 55 Ford. And yes, it's running. I don't know if you can hear that or not. It is so smooth. Of course, the 55 can easily be distinguished between a 55 and a 56. Anybody want to mention it down in the comments down below? But that picture right there is all I should have to tell you. And if the car's stock, that will tell you it's a 55, not a 56. That sound right to you guys, you Ford experts out there? Something about that radio? Go ahead, Give me a comment down below. Headliner. Looks good. Seatbelt's been installed, front and rear. Makes it nice. Like I said, you got friends or family riding with you. Let's take a listen. Sounds good. Nothing crazy as far as over the top of the exhaust. Just a smooth running, good sounding V8 underneath the hood of this. Speaking of which, we better take a look at it. Then, like I said, stick around to the very end of this video. Jason's going to take this car for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. We'll wrap up this walk around just a bit. Man, look underneath this hood too, nice and clean. Same as the engine bay. It's one of those cars, like I said, take it to your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. You might bring home some trophies with this sweetheart. Of course, the Ford oil bath air cleaner. Very stock looking engine bay. There is a battery disconnect for when it's in storage or in between drives. As you can see, 12-volt battery. I like the C-Clear windshield washer reservoir over there. That Y-block V8. Pretty cool car. And you can get into the classic car highway without breaking the bank in this one. Reasonably priced accordingly. 1955 Ford Fairlane Town Sedan, 73C body style code. Call us, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1955 Ford Fairlane. This would be a four-door in a beautiful blue and white. Factory horn is working as it should. This is an automatic on the column, so it's easy for anybody to drive. Take a look at that speedometer. The sun shines through a light in the background. A clear lens. The sun's natural light lighting it. And it's amazing the styling that they came up with. In the 50s, with, to me, is probably the height of style. The blower motor works on this car. The wiper's also working. As you can see, it is winter in Minnesota, but we do wash our vehicles so we can do these driving videos for you. This car is clock equipped over here. Cool radio dial, matches the clock, and you turn the dial and the indicator will go around. And I haven't got sound out of that radio, but just the style alone is amazing. Very nice bench seats in this car, front and back, room for the whole family. Nice ride down the road. A little bit of slack in the steering, what you'd expect for a 55 Ford. Nice quiet ride, a little bit of rumble out the tail as it should be. Take a look at all the pictures of this 55 Ford Fairlane at uniqueclassiccars.com.